Now we are on the third and final verse of the Copasetic Chair Dance. So this is going to be section 1. Now we are starting on the third and final verse of this dance. And this is where things get really interesting and kind of crazy. This next section, I refer to it as the clapping over under section because that's basically what you're doing. You are going to start with a push cramp where the right foot's going to go toe, heel, and the left foot's just going to do a heel drop. Push cramp. You're going to clap, and then you're going to pick your right leg up and clap underneath it. Put the foot down, and then you're going to do another clap, pick up the left foot, clap underneath it, down. So all together it's going to be push cramp, over, under, down, over, under, down. Okay, this section can be really difficult if you don't have strong abs. Because lifting that leg up high enough to get the hands underneath takes some ab strength. So you might do some crunches, that might help, but that's what it's going to take to do this. And you have to be careful when you do this under. The down has to land in rhythm with the music. A lot of times in class we go under and people just let their foot fall to the floor, and so it's landing before the music is ready for it to land. So you've got to stay in time. So let's do that again. You're starting with that push cramp. You go push cramp, over, under, down, over, under, down. You do that again. Push cramp, over, under, down, over, under, down. You do it a third time. Push cramp, over, under, down, over, under, down. Now, here comes the break, and it's really interesting. You're going to do both, over, lean back, both legs and under, down, over, under, down. So again, you've got to have some ab strength to get those legs up. This is another reason why I suggest you sit forward in your chair, because if you can lean back a little bit, that's going to help get your legs up too. Okay, so putting this whole section together, you have 5, 6, 7, 8. Push cramp, over, under, down, over, under, down. Push cramp, over, under, down, over, under, down. Push cramp, over, under, down, over, under, down. Both over, under, down, over, under, down. Okay, so very often we're in class and people say they can't reach to clap underneath their legs. And you might notice, I don't know how much you can see, but I'm not getting a full clap in either. I kind of just get my fingertips together. So there's a couple of ways to kind of cheat this. I have some ladies that just kind of slap their thighs when they do it. I have others that they do their best to try to get underneath there, and it is what it is. So if you really have to make a sound and you can't reach, I suggest the thigh slap method, because you'll get that clapping sound from there. If you want to keep reaching for it, and again, the stronger your abs are, the easier this is going to be. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Push cramp, over, under, down, over, under, down. Push cramp, over, under, down, over, under, down. Push cramp, over, under, down, over, under, down. Both over, under, down, over, under, down. Five, 6, 7, 8. Push cramp, over, under, down, over, under, down. Push cramp, over, under, down, over, under, down. Push cramp, over, under, down, over, under, down. Both over, under, down, over, under, down.